Okay, boys and girls. So in the past, we have talked about friendly numbers and the fact that the number 10 is a friendly number because it helps us count faster, right? So we've been dealing a lot with the number 10. Another way to do math to help us is by using money. Money is a really good way to practice our math skills. So I'm going to start today by showing you some type of money, which I'm sure you guys already know because so many of you have gotten visits from the Tooth Fairy. And the Tooth Fairy, she loves these coins. She's so good at holding coins. Okay, so when we're talking about money, we have quarters. So quarters are worth 25 cents. Okay. 25 cents. So if I'm counting my quarters, I count 25, 50. Two of these make 50 cents. 25 and 25 make 50. Plus another 25 makes 75. Plus another 25 makes $1. It makes 100. So it goes 25, 50, 75, 100. So here we have 100 cents, which really means $1. Okay. Then another one we have is the dime. And this one's the friendliest one because this one is worth 10 cents. So we just count by tens, okay? So one dime is worth 10, 2 is 20, 30 cents, 40 cents, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So here we have 100 cents. Up here we have 100 cents, and here we have 100 cents. So up here, this is worth $1, and this is worth $1 because there are 100 cents in $1. Alrighty? So we've done 25s and we've done 10s. Today we're going to be using this one, and this is called the nickel. The nickel is worth 5 cents. And today we're going to be using the nickel for math because we're going to be counting by fives. And the nickels help us count by fives. Okay? This nickel is worth 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Count them with me. 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Oh my goodness, look at how many more nickels we need because we're only counting by fives. Over here we were counting by 25, here we were counting by tens, and here we're counting by fives. But all of these equal 100. These are 100 cents, this makes 100 cents, and this makes 100 cents. Okay? Now the last one is the penny, and you guys know that the penny is worth 1 cent. So if there's 100 pennies in here, imagine that there's 100 pennies inside of these quarters. There's 100 pennies inside of these dimes. And there's 100 pennies inside of these nickels. Okay? How many pennies would we need to make $1? If there's 100 here, 100 here, 100 here, we would need 100 pennies. And I'm going to show you. We would need all of these pennies to make $1 because these are only worth 1 cent. So all of these pennies is the same as $1. Would you rather carry 100 pennies in your pocket or this $1 bill? Probably the $1 bill, right? I don't know if all these pennies could fit in your pocket. Okay, so I wanted to show you that, but like I said, today we're going to be focusing on the nickel. And the nickel is worth 5 cents. So today we're going to be counting by fives. Okay? For your homework, we're going to be counting by fives. I put this website on your canvas in case you want to visit this website and you want to play with the money. Okay, here we have $1 bill, $5, $10, $20, $50, $100, 50 cents, 25 cents, 10 cents, 5 cents, and 1 cent. So these are pennies, nickels, dimes, quarters, and this is half a dollar. Today we're going to be playing with the nickels, the ones that are worth 5 cents. So will you count with me? We're going to count nickels all the way to 120. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Oh, I got lost. 100, but we're not done. We have 105, 110, 115, 120. Okay, so we're jumping by fives. Instead of counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we're making jumps like leaps of 5. Okay, so we're making leaps of 5. So what we're gonna do now is, let me remove all my money. So much money. It's not real, is it? Darn. Today you're gonna be, in your math book, we're gonna need page 398 and 399, okay? Find me page 398 and 399. If you need to pause the video, you know the drill. Okay. So we're going to be using our nickels to count by fives. All right. So I'm going to pull some of my nickels over here. Okay. So if I have one nickel, that is worth 5 cents. So right now I only have 5 cents. But let's say 8 and O gave me another nickel. How many cents do I have now? I have 5 plus 5. Now I have 10 cents. Alrighty. But then Sophia gives me another nickel. How many cents do I have now? I have 5, 10, 15 cents all together. But then Landon gives me another nickel. Okay, so now I have 4 nickels. But how much are they worth? How much money do I really have? I have 5, 10, 15. 15 plus another 5 equals 20. So I have 20 cents. This is the symbol for cents. It looks like a C with the little line through it. Okay. I have 20 cents in all. 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, same thing over here. Let's say I give all of you. Let's say I give all of you 1 nickel. How much money do you have right now? How much money did I give you? I gave you 5 cents because that's worth 5 cents. And then I give you another nickel. How much money do you have now? 5, 10, 10 cents. 5 plus 5 makes 10. And then I give you another nickel. How much money do you have now? 5, 10, 5 and 5 makes 10, plus 5 more. 10 plus 5 more makes 15. So now you have 15 cents in all. Alrighty, guys. You, my friends, are going to try the next ones all on your own, okay? If you have some nickels at home, you can put your nickels over these. If you don't have any nickels at home, that's okay. You could just use these printed ones, okay? So you're counting by fives. All of these are worth 5 cents. So how many do you have all together? Not how many nickels. I'm not going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7. No, each one is worth 5, so you're going to jump count by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Alrighty.